Hi everybody, Billy, are you ready to make some cookies today?
Yeah.
What sort of bickies are we going to make?
Red nose bickies.
Red nose bickies! Because Friday, June 30 here in Australia is Red Nose Day, raising money to save little lives. So, you got my nose. So we're going to make our healthy-ish version of some red nose cookies that you can make at home and then sell to your friends and family and then donate the money back to Red Nose Day. Should we do it?
Yeah, let's do it.
To make these cookies we need coconut, almond meal, maple syrup, melted butter, vanilla, baking powder, a pinch of cinnamon. Should we start mixing?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to give that a big mix together with your hands?
Yeah.
How many have we got there? Can you count them for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
We've got 10. What do we need to put on top of the bickies? Jam. So that's what gives the bickies the red nose. So you can use any jam you kind of like. Raspberry jam is probably the reddest. We got some strawberry chia jam that we made earlier in the week, didn't we?
Yeah.
So we're gonna put that on top of there, pop them in the oven, cook them, and then we'll eat them. How's that sound?
Yeah.
How's that? Here, hold my nose. Pop these in the oven for about 10 minutes.
No!
Right, Billy, who's this?
It's
It's Ziggy, yeah, he won't let me put him down, so he's here for the biscuit reveal as well. We've got about 12 minutes, the bickies are in the oven, this is what they look like now. How is it?
Good.
Can I have one? Don't forget, Red Nose Day, June 30. Go buy yourself a red nose.
Mwah.
Alright, I'm going to take these. See you later.
Ah.
Bye. Oh, should we leave him here?